Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello's card export feature to back up your data. And this is your full guide for 2025. To kick things off, you'll want to start by opening up Trello and navigate to the board you want to back up. This is important because Trello's export feature works on a per-board basis, meaning you cannot export cards from multiple boards at once. Next up, click on the Show menu button on the right side of your screen, then select More, and finally, Print and Export. The reason we do this is because this is where Trello hides its export functionality. Now that we've done that, you'll see two options: export as JSON and export as CSV. For backing up your data, we're going to select Export as CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a universal data format that can be imported into any spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Once you click on Export as CSV, Trello will automatically generate a CSV file of your board. This helps us because it includes all the important information from your cards: names, descriptions, labels, members, due dates, and checklists. After the CSV file is generated, it should automatically download onto your device. If not, click on the Download button. The reason we do this is because the download is your backup. Store it safely, and remember, you can always open it with a spreadsheet program to view your data. Let me explain why this matters. Backing up your Trello data allows you to safeguard against any accidental deletions or changes. If anything goes wrong, you can revert to your backup and restore your board to its previous state. And that's it. You've just used Trello's card export feature to back up your data. Remember, safety first. Always have a backup. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.